Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get instant cash with paid studies. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So first we have a $250 study, and this is a paid opinion research in Louisville, Kentucky. Qualified participants will listen to live speakers' video presentations and express their opinions about the information on questionnaires and in a focus group discussion. The opinion research is on Tuesday, September 13th from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. at a nice Louisville hotel. Breakfast, lunch, and snacks and breaks every 2 hours will be provided. Any person of any educational background can join this study. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description box below. Next, we have a $275 study. This is a paid study for Lincoln, Logan, Mingo, Wyoming, Raleigh, or Kanawha County and West Virginia residents. This study is for you and you will receive $275 just for sharing your opinion on community topics. This is a discussion group and is on September 7th from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The study consists of watching a presentation and sharing your opinion in a small group, and you will receive the $275 upon signing out that evening. Next, we have a $450 study. This is a paid opinion study in Charleston, West Virginia. This study is for Clay, Fayette, Kanawha. Now, hopefully I'm saying these cities right. Lincoln, Logan, Mingo, Nicholas, Raleigh, and Roane County residents. The research will involve listening to a presentation, filling out questionnaires, reading and writing, and discussing your opinions in a group setting. You must be 18 years or older. This is a 2-day opinion study in Charleston, West Virginia. The study will be held on Thursday, September 8th and Friday, September 9th from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. each day. To thank you for your time, you will receive an incentive of $450 for participating in a continental breakfast, deli, lunch, and refreshments provided. The link will be in the description box below so that you can qualify. Next, we have a $100 study, and this is for an online virtual focus group for Chicago, New York, and Florida residents. The details for this study is that this is a 2-hour online focus group that will be happening September. Adults that can qualify are from ages from 18 to 35 in Chicago, New York, and Florida. You must have a good quality working camera and a microphone on laptop and have Wi-Fi, which can support active participation in the Zoom class. You will be paid $100 via Tango card reward link for participation. Incentives will be provided at the conclusion of the project in the form of a virtual Tango reward link. Tango reward links can be redeemed for over 100 brands, including Visa and Amazon gift cards, and they never expire. So if you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description box or pinned comments to qualify. Next, you have a $200 study, and this is for a mock juror focus group in Tennessee. This focus group is seeking residents of Cannon, Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Houston, Humphreys, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Stewart, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson counties in Tennessee. So these are all counties that are in Tennessee. So if you're in one of these counties that's in Tennessee, you may be eligible for this study. And what you'll do at this study is that you will serve as a juror for a mock trial. The study details for the following is you must be between the ages of 18 and 70. The mock trial is on August 31st, and that's a Wednesday. So you have about 48 hours. The hours are from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. with 1 hour lunch break. You must have a valid Tennessee driver's license or a Tennessee state ID. You must have a minimum high school diploma. Persons with college degrees are encouraged to participate. The compensation is $200 cash paid at end of each session. The panelists must stay for the entire day to receive compensation. Parking will be paid for if applicable. The link for this study will be in the description box below. $250 study. This is a paid study for Alabama residents. The study is for Pickens, Greene, Sumter, Hale, Perry, Marengo, Dallas County, Alabama residents. This study is on August 31st from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The study consists of watching a presentation and sharing your opinion in small group discussions. Complimentary meals will be provided. You will receive the $200 upon signing on that evening. Next, we have a $150 paid study. This is a paid opinion study for Colorado residents. This online focus group is looking for Colorado residents to participate in an online focus group on the topic of public issues. This focus group will be on Zoom, so you must have Zoom downloaded. You will receive a $150 gift card for your participation. The study dates are on the following: Tuesday, August 30th at either 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. or at 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Thursday, September 8th, and that's either 4 to 6 p.m. or 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. on Mountain Daylight Time. Next, we have another one that's September 12th, and that's either at 4 to 6 p.m. or 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. on Mountain Daylight Time. So if you're interested, click the link in the description box or pinned comments to get further information. This is a $80 study, and this is a live virtual focus group. During this focus group, you will listen to a brief presentation of a real legal case and be asked to provide feedback. This study is trying to gain insight from a diverse group of non-lawyers about this case. Anyone over the age of 18 is welcome and encouraged to apply. The virtual group will start on Tuesday, September 13th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time via Zoom. Payment will be by Venmo after completion of the focus group and receipt of a written agreement to guarantee complete confidentiality of all matters discussed during the session. We are unable to accommodate any other payment methods. No PayPal will be considered. Please only apply if you can receive payment by Venmo. You must be comfortable discussing your opinions in front of others. You will be paid to share thoughts about this case. Your opinions will be respected and heard. So if you're interested in any of these focus groups or paid studies, make sure to click the link in the description box or pinned comments below to qualify. I have tons of them that are actually going on right now at the end of August and during September. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and also comment down your city. Make sure you comment down your city so that I can find more studies in the city that you are located in, so you can earn free cash, instant cash, easy cash for a little bit of your time. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.